अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश बुक 1 चैप्टर नंबर 13 गॉड बी प्रेज्ड की कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। इसमें फर्स्ट है व्हाट वाज अलियास अब्बुल्स फुल नेम। इसका आंसर है हिज फुल नेम वाज मौलवी अब्बुल बरकत। व्हाट वाज हिज टर्बन नोन एज एंड वेयर फ्रॉम डिड इट ओरिजिनली कम। इसका आंसर है his turban was known as Mashhadi lungi. Originally it came from Mashhad in Iran. What did he always carry with him? इसका आंसर है he always carried with him a walking stick. Describe Maulvi's appearance. इसका आंसर है Maulvi wore a turban on his head. He wore silver rings on his fingers. He always carried a stick with him. He had bulging eyes. How much did the Maulvi collect on every Eid? इसका आंसर है he collected 150 to 200 rupees at every Eid. How much was distributed among the needy and the poor? इसका आंसर है at every Eid he distributed 40 to 50 rupees among the needy and the poor. What was the name of his eldest daughter? इसका आंसर है the name of his eldest daughter was Mehrun Nisa, Mehrun. What was the name of the member of the district board where the Maulvi lived? इसका आंसर है his name was Chaudhry Fateh Dad. What was the name of his wife? इसका आंसर है her name was Zabun Nisa. Write the names of the other two daughters who are mentioned in the story. इसका आंसर है their names were Zabda and Shamsun. Question number 2 है read the lesson and tick the correct word. Write the correct sentences in your notebook. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं जैसे slanting, bulging, drooping. आपने इन ऑप्शन में से किसी एक को सिलेक्ट करना है जो इस सेंटेंस में सही है और उसे अलग से लिखना है। मौलवी अब्बुल had slightly slanting, bulging, drooping eyes. इसका आंसर है bulging. मौलवी अब्बुल had slightly bulging eyes. He wore dash rings with large stones. Silver, gold, platinum. Silver is the correct answer. He wore silver rings with large stones. His cotton bag contained 152 dash rupees collected from the devotees. 100, 200, 300. इसका आंसर है 200. His cotton bag contained 150 to 200 rupees collected from the devotees. The name of his firstborn child was dash Zabun Nisa, Mehrun Nisa, Lutfun Nisa. इसका आंसर है Mehrun Nisa. The name of his firstborn child was Mehrun Nisa. Chaudhry Fateh Dad was member of the district dash council, board या bar. इसका सही आंसर है board. Chaudhry Fateh Dad was member of the district board. Shamim Ahmad was the dash son of a Hafiz. Eldest, youngest, only. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है only. Shamim Ahmad was the only son of a Hafiz. Maulvi Abul had saved dash rupees only. 33, 43, 53. The correct answer is 43. Maulvi Abul had saved 43 rupees only. The 7 yards of silk that Shamim mired for Maulvi Abul was for dash rupees. 142, 42, 420. 42 is the correct answer. The 7 yards of silk that Shamim mired for Maulvi Abul was for 42 rupees. A few months after Mehrun Nisa's marriage, a dash school was opened in the village. Secondary, middle, primary. Primary is the correct answer. A few months after Mehrun Nisa's marriage, a primary school was opened in the village. All these years, Maulvi Abul had dash sources of inspiration. 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is 2. All these years, Maulvi Abul had 2 sources of inspiration. तो आज की वीडियो यहीं पर कंप्लीट होती है। आई होप आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।